Good morning. My name is Mrs. Singletary, and I'm going to be doing Art 1 with you here at Coastal this year. Um, this lesson is called Moving Line Drawings, and I'm going to go through it step by step, what you need to do to accomplish moving lines. So right now in art, we are focusing on lines, shapes, and colors. And so this particular activity will go over lines, shapes, and colors. Give me just a moment to share my screen. Okay, here we are. Okay, so this is for my kindergartners. And first, you are going to take a sheet of paper and you are going to draw any object of your choice in the top right of your paper. So in order to make sure you do not make a mistake, start with a pencil. So take a pencil and draw your object in the top right of your paper. Once you're done drawing your object, I would like for you to go back over it with a dark marker, maybe a Sharpie or black Crayola marker, and fill it all the way in. Now here's where our moving lines will begin. You are going to draw a straight line going from the object all the way down to the edge of the paper. Once you have drawn your straight line, you are going to move on to your wavy line. And your wavy line is going to go from your object all the way down to the edge of your paper. We're going to add two more lines now. We are going to add a dotted line or dash line, and that is broken up. So this line is going to break all the way down from the object down to the edge of your paper. And then we're going to add my favorite, the zigzag line. And it goes zzz, 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 like that. So your zigzag line is going to go from your object zzz, 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 all the way down to the edge of your paper. The last line is a curly line, and I have curly hair, but it's like really tight curls. So curly lines do a loop-de-loop, and so we're going to do our loop-de-loop all the way down to the edge of our paper. But at this point, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Go ahead and count your lines. If you do not have 5, I want you to make sure you have 5. At this point, because most of you are at home, you can use either crayons, markers, color pencils, or watercolor to do this last step. And in this last step, we are going to make every line a different color. So as you can see here, I created 2 of them, one using crayons and one using watercolor. And I want you to go over each line with a new color using a different color for every line. Take your time. I want you to make sure the lines are nice and bold, nice and bright. And once you like it, I want you to sign it at the bottom, and I want you to submit it to me on Artsonia. So we're going to go back over that one more time. So you're going to draw an object of your choice. It may be ice cream, it could be a cheeseburger, it could be a heart, it could be a flower, anything of your choice in the top right of your corner. Then you are going to add your straight line, your wavy line. Then we're going to add a broken line or a dotted line. Then we're going to add a wavy line. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. A zigzag line. Zigzag. See, I like waves too. And now we're going to add our curly line. Once you're done, make sure you count all 5 lines to make sure they're there. And now we're going to color every line. And any color you want to use, you may use. Okay, guys? So that is all for this lesson. Remember that this lesson is called moving line drawings. So your lines are moving. And I want you to share, if you write an artist statement, which line was your favorite line today? All right, again, my name is Mrs. Singletary, and I'm so glad to be with you.